They said hormone therapy could break your heart. As it turns out, it might be the thing that saves it. For decades, hormone therapy was treated like a loaded gun. Back in 2002, a tidal wave of panic hit after the Women's Health Initiative study made headlines. They were screaming, HRT increases heart disease. Doctors pulled prescriptions. Women threw their meds away. It was fear and panic. And just like that, hormone replacement therapy became public enemy number one.
Hold on a second. Did you just aggressively grab a script out of my wife's hands?
But science isn't static. What we thought was true 20 years ago isn't always true today. Research evolves, data changes, but unfortunately, public perception doesn't always follow. Some people latch onto a headline from 2002 and treat it like it's gossip.
In the Old Testament, hormone therapy caused heart disease, but after I saved all of you ungrateful bitches, heart disease was no longer an issue.
Jesus Christ, you're looking ripped.
And it's the same energy as the flat earthers. Doesn't matter how much proof you throw in their face. Photos from space, gravity, physics, they'll die on that hill because letting go of the belief is harder than facing the truth. And hormone therapy got stuck in that same rut.
You've got one chance to tell me what shape that is. It's round, it's round, it's round.
One bad study, one overreaction, and even now, with new evidence, better research, and safer protocol, there are still people clinging to fear instead of fact. And how did this myth get disproven? They did a 4,000-woman study and found those on HRT had less plaque in their arteries and were 30% less likely to die from any cause, not just heart issues. And then there was a huge trial called Traverse, 5,000 males, all with low T. And the study found no higher risk of heart attacks or strokes when compared to the placebo group. And even newer data is proving HRT can potentially prevent heart disease in males, not cause it.
Go ahead. I dare you to try to touch it.
And that's a game changer. Look, hormone therapy isn't without risks. There are risks in everything. But when it comes to heart disease, the latest research suggests it's safe for both men and women. But I go even a step further. And I say HRT can actually help prevent cardiovascular issues before they even have a chance to become issues. So if you're a man or woman over 40 and you're not feeling like you, get your hormones checked. Visit my clinic, Viking. We're in 48 to 50 states. Or go anywhere. At least rule it out as the problem. Because if that is the cause, Viking can fix it.
Change your hormones, change your life.
Vikings here to make it right. We're to make it right.